Today we are going to learn few of Chinese dishes. In that we are going to first learn chow mein. Ingredients required are chopped garlic, chopped ginger, julienne of onions, shredded cabbage and carrots, julienne of pepper, noodles, salt, aromat powder, white pepper powder, tomato ketchup, dark soya, chopped coriander, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, sliced onion, shredded cabbage and carrots, capsicum, and add your noodles. Broth powder, white pepper powder, salt, little sugar, tomato ketchup, chili paste, little soya, finish with chopped coriander, and spring onion. The chow mein is ready to serve. Chow mein is ready to serve.